Hey everyone, welcome to the CNC shop, which is a mess right now. So, I've had a dilemma. I'm a bit of a sticker junkie, and at trade shows and festivals and things like that I go to around the maker community, I typically collect stickers. I know probably a lot of us do. But previously, I had put them on my laptops. Well, I've had so many stickers over the years that I have run out of real estate, gotten new laptops, the stickers go away, things like that. So I am trying to find something a little different to put all my stickers on that has a lot of real estate. So in my CNC shop, I've been looking around, and it kind of first started with these Hop Art stickers that I get because I get the Hop tees, and so does my buddy Joe Spanier, who I share this with. And I started randomly putting the Hop stickers around that you used to get in the box. Anybody that subscribes to Hoplark's tee will know what I'm talking about, at least the ones that have done it for a while. Anyways, I then got the idea. I'm like, stickers in the shop, definitely. So I have picked a dedicated location for stickers to go. So this is not all the stickers I've gotten over the years, but the ones that I have that were either I've gotten recently or things that I had duplicates of, things like that. So for any of you that I have seen more recently or in the past, and I have gotten your sticker, you have made it to the garage door. As I go to more shows, I will collect more stickers, and as I put in more orders, the stickers are in the box, I will add to this as well. So I'm curious what other people have done with their plethora of stickers. Share in the comments, but this is what I've done. So curious to hear what you've done.